Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your ultimate guide to creating beautiful and functional living spaces. Today, we're delving into the world of outdoor living, specifically focusing on the pergola design over decks ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Pergola is a design element that can transform your deck from a simple platform into a sophisticated outdoor retreat. A well-designed pergola can redefine your outdoor space, adding both aesthetic appeal and practical functionality. Let's begin by understanding what a pergola truly represents. A pergola is more than just a roof over your deck. It's an architectural structure, typically constructed from wood, metal, or vinyl, that provides shade, defines a space, and adds a touch of elegance to your outdoor area. It's a framework, often featuring crossbeams and an open lattice or slatted roof, that allows sunlight to filter through while still offering some protection from the elements. When placed over a deck, a pergola creates an outdoor room, a transition zone between your indoor living space and the natural environment. It signifies a dedicated area for relaxation, dining, or entertaining, enhancing the usability and enjoyment of your deck. The advantages of incorporating a pergola into your deck design are numerous. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, a pergola offers several practical benefits. Firstly, it provides much-needed shade, making your deck more comfortable during the hotter months. This shade can significantly reduce the temperature on your deck, allowing you to enjoy the space even on the warmest days. Secondly, a pergola offers a degree of protection from light rain, extending the usability of your deck even when the weather isn't perfect. Thirdly, it defines the space, creating a sense of enclosure and intimacy. This can make your deck feel more like an outdoor room, separate and distinct from the rest of your yard. Finally, a pergola adds value to your home. It's a desirable feature that can enhance the overall appeal and marketability of your property. How do you make a good decor for pergola design over decks? Creating the perfect ambience under your pergola involves thoughtful decoration. Consider the style of your home and deck when choosing decor. For a classic look, opt for natural materials like wood and stone. For a more modern feel, consider incorporating metal and sleek lines. Comfort is key. Add comfortable outdoor furniture, such as lounge chairs, a dining table, or a hammock. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. String lights create a warm and inviting atmosphere, while spotlights can highlight specific features of your pergola. Plants are essential for bringing life to your outdoor space. Climbing vines can be trained to grow up the pergola posts, adding natural beauty and shade. Consider adding potted plants to create a lush and inviting environment. Don't forget about textiles. Outdoor rugs, cushions, and throws can add color and texture to your space, making it feel more comfortable and inviting. What are the best items for pergola design over decks? The best items for your pergola depend on your personal style and how you plan to use the space. Here are some essential elements to consider. First, comfortable seating. Lounge chairs, sofas, or a dining set. Second, outdoor rug. Defines the space and adds comfort. Third, lighting. String lights, lanterns, or spotlights. Fourth, plants. Potted plants, hanging baskets, or climbing vines. Fifth, shade solutions. Retractable canopies or curtains. Sixth, side tables. For drinks and snacks. Seventh, fire pit or heater. Extends the usability of the space into cooler months. Eighth, outdoor speakers. For music and entertainment. Ninth, decorative accessories. Vases, sculptures, or artwork. 10th, privacy screens. If desired, for added seclusion. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these the compilation of the top 10 best pergola design over deck ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Modern minimalist. Clean lines, metal frame, neutral colors. 2. Rustic retreat. Wood construction, natural finishes, cozy furniture. 3. Mediterranean oasis. Whitewashed wood, vibrant colors, lush plants. 4. Tropical getaway. Bamboo or thatch roof, vibrant colors, comfortable seating. 5. Contemporary chic. Sleek design, mixed materials, statement lighting. 6. Traditional elegance. Ornate details, classic furniture, formal landscaping. 7. Coastal vibe. Light and airy colors, natural materials, nautical accents. 8. Bohemian rhapsody. Eclectic mix of furniture and decor, vibrant colors, textured fabrics. 9. Industrial style. Metal frame, exposed hardware, vintage accents. 10. Farmhouse charm. Wood construction, rustic details, comfortable furniture. A well-designed pergola can truly transform your deck into an outdoor sanctuary. By carefully considering the design, decor, and essential items, you can create a space that you and your family will enjoy for years to come. Remember, the key is to create a space that reflects your personal style and meets your individual needs. We hope this video has inspired you to create your dream deck pergola. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home decor and design inspiration. Leave a comment below and let us know what your favorite pergola design ideas are. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.